Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nong Kwar TSS Road Shillong, ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kandailat Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Lumso Po Shillong. Wan bantit ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai, ka Baskem Bat Biddor.
Usembut Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jela ubak Preston Tensong ulabo jingkeli ye ki langut ki Bengali ki balaj mudui sya ulat ke Jela Dangshen usatya pal Malik daka bakeno baki jaj benreu Bengali ki basa ha ichamati kila sya pendik bat sya penduk lut ye ki hok baki dei ban yo kum ki nong song snong ha ke Jela ha ke jing yekran bat kilat pathai khubor ubak Preston Tensong ulama hamru ye ki paj ba bakim dei satya ban pensa priang ye kino ki khubor hamsaya ne ki khubor ba penyesrut jaj benreu ha ki social media halor kane ubak Preston ulaya thuru shen ba ka sarkar kan sakhot da ka jingyalang ya baro ki kenhon khnang ban tem ye kane ka jingyikan at ya pher jaj benreu ka Jela Hakabaya daipat bat ka jingsha berngem ka Khasi Students Union ha ka United Bengal Liberation Army uba Preston Tensong ulaong baka tenat pulit kan sale yala ka jong ka kamram hadin bala register case persya ye kani ka sengking atiar rengai.
Even our friends outside the state, in fact, we are friendly. Be it in Calcutta, be it anywhere, in fact, we are friendly. Well, as I said to you, maybe anti-social elements used to be there, 0.1%. So please don't take it so seriously with this 0.1% because we are friendly with everybody, be it in Calcutta, be it in Delhi, be it in Assam, be it anywhere. So even our young children, maximum of them, they're studying outside the state. So that also needs to be taken into consideration. Therefore, we have a very, very good cordial relationship with all the states in India as a whole. But as I said to you, we take exception with these people who, instead of coming to the government, they went ahead with that complaint. I really don't know the complaint they made. But ultimately, I'm telling you, let the concerned authority take care of everything, and I'm sure everything will be fine. See, the response from the state government is this. I'm telling you, as I said to you, why these 3 persons, they're doing this? Why not come to the state government? In the first place, please come to the state government, come to the district administration, or now, if you cannot come to the district administration, go to civil subdivision. We do have the administration closer to the people, that area. But I fail to understand why do they have to go directly to the honorable governor. That is number one. That is a big question. And number two, I'm afraid maybe these people, they have some malign intention as far as the governance that we are running in the state of Meghalaya, because government, MDA government, we are all out for everybody, both for tribal and non-tribal, and then we keep saying this, that we treat them as our brothers and sisters for both the community. Our request to all concerned is to kindly don't spread out any news which is affecting peace, tranquility, and the peaceful state of Meghalaya. I would request all of them to refrain from this kind of spreading the rumors in the social media. Because see, ultimately, I think you must have seen it. Even those permanent residents, whom we call it Bengali community, they came out with a very good statement. They said, in fact, no harassment done by the local people. So that itself you understand. And from the government side, I would like to only request all the concerned, please don't add fuel. Don't add fuel in this issue, because we live together, we grow together in Meghalaya, and we are one. Don't say that you are non-tribal or don't say that you are tribal, but we are one as brothers and sisters. I can't comment anything on that, because I've seen it, her honorable ex-governor, his comment is always like that. when he was governor of Tripura, we have seen it. Then again, he joined here in Meghalaya, we have seen it. So therefore, when he went back to his place, we have seen it. So it is not a surprise for me. He's a person who talk whatever he feels of talking. So I can't say anything on that. But as a responsible citizen of India, I think we need to calculate well before giving any statement. We are here to make sure Meghalaya, people of Meghalaya, whoever stays in Meghalaya, we stay happily and without any kind of fear or any kind of uneasiness that we have. Concerned authority, as I said to you, find out who are those so-called extremist group. Because first time in my life, I saw the letter they sent to KSU, to everybody. I've seen it. Whether this is genuine or not genuine, that I can't say anything. But let the authority concerned go deep into it, and then we will be able to tell you exactly.